You have a choice. I can give you deferred adjudication, and I will give you deferred adjudication for 8 years. You're going to go into inpatient treatment, or if you would like, I could just sentence you to 4 years. Which do you prefer? This is a problem if he has to think about it. Do you just want to go to prison and do your time?
I'll take the
Court is calling 2023 CR 0168C, State of Texas versus Robert Alvarez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Douglas County, Mr. Alvarez.
All right, so the court asked that this be called back because I was given information by the defense and information in the PSI report. Mr. Alvarez, I normally don't, well, I do it, but in your case, I can do it. Your brother testified that you have drug issues, that you've been shot before. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Robert Alvarez.
All right. For Mr. Tristan Muros, do you have the keys to his garage?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
I'm sorry, what?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Where are they?
They were in the evidence in the vehicle.
So the police have the
Police should
keys?
have it then, Judge.
All right, because he wants the keys to his garage back. And state, can you make sure that he has those?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you have a choice. The state is asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 5 years. What that means is that the most time I could sentence you to prison would be 5 years. The range of punishment for this offense is up to 20 years in prison. You have a choice. I can give you deferred adjudication, and I will give you deferred adjudication for 8 years. You're going to go into inpatient treatment, or if you would like, I could just sentence you to 4 years. Which do you prefer? This is a problem if he has to think about it. Do you just want to go to prison and do your time?
I'll take the treatment.
Let me stop you right there. Your attorney wants you to take the treatment. This is what I always have to remind myself of, and other people need to remind themselves. You can't give somebody what they want, what you want for their life. You can't make them want that for themselves. It's like the song Harry Hippie. So the question is, do you want treatment? If you don't want it, there's no shame in saying you don't want it because maybe you're not prepared to do it, but it's going to be inpatient treatment. Your life is going to pass you by, whether you're in inpatient treatment or whether you're at the prison. The choice is yours. If you want to go to prison, I will send you to prison for 4 years. The state is asking for 5.
I'll take the treatment.
Okay. All right. Do you have children?
No,
I'm going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication. A referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then safe P. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The UA hotline until further notice, and that's to be upon release. And he's to remain in custody until he's accepted in felony drug court or until he's transferred to Safe P. 300 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I was worried about other things. I was being dumb.
What?
I was worried about a lot of other things, trying to get quick money. I was worried about dumb things.
Okay. I'm not going to waive the community service hours. He is going to be ordered to either obtain your GED or some sort of certificate from trade school. You need to start working and improving yourself. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want the MRT and CATs 1 and 2. Is there restitution in this case? There's going to be restitution because this case has been going on for a while, and I know that person had to probably replace their key. So restitution, if any, to Tristan Muros. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You better start making better decisions in your life. Otherwise, you're looking at 20 years in the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
The tension in the courtroom is palpable as Judge Stephanie Boyd prepares to decide the fate of Robert Alvarez. But this isn't a simple sentencing. It's a raw psychological confrontation. The judge reveals damning testimony from Alvarez's own brother, detailing a history of drug issues and violence, including a past shooting. The state asks for a 5-year cap, but Judge Boyd does something extraordinary. She offers Alvarez a brutal choice that will test his very will to live: accept an 8-year deferred adjudication sentence, which includes immediate custody until he enters a strict inpatient treatment program and the rigorous demands of felony drug court, or take a straight 4-year prison sentence with no strings attached. Then comes the moment that defines the entire hearing. Alvarez, faced with this life-altering decision, hesitates. He pauses, and in that silence, Judge Boyd destroys him. This is a problem if he has to think about it, she declares, her voice cutting through the room. She then launches into a profound and devastating monologue about the nature of change. You can't give somebody what they want for their life, she states, her tone a mix of frustration and grim wisdom. You can't make them want that for themselves. She tells him his life is passing him by, whether he's in treatment or in prison, forcing him to confront his own ambivalence. The reference to the song Harry Hippie underscores the tragic cycle of wasted potential. This is no longer about legal procedure. It's a soul-searching intervention broadcast from the bench. Alvarez, perhaps feeling the full weight of her words, finally mutters, "Take the treatment." But Judge Boyd is far from finished. Accepting his choice, she proceeds to systematically dismantle any possibility of failure, imposing a probation regimen so strict it's designed to either rebuild him from the ground up or reveal his inability to change. He is ordered to complete 300 hours of community service, obtain his GED or a trade certificate, directly challenging his excuse about quitting school for quick money, secure proof of employment within 30 days, submit to monthly field visits, and pay restitution. He will not even taste freedom until accepted into the drug court program. Each condition is a deliberate strike against the done things he claimed to worry about. Judge Boyd concludes with a final, sobering hammer blow. She reminds him that because he took the plea, he has waived his right to appeal. Then she delivers the ultimate warning. You better start making better decisions in your life. Otherwise, you're looking at 20 years in the prison. The sentence isn't just 8 years of supervision, it's 8 years under a microscope, with a 20-year prison term looming like a guillotine if he stumbles. Her good luck is less a well-wish and more a final, daunting challenge. In this hearing, Judge Stephanie Boyd didn't just sentence a man, she staged a high-stakes confrontation with his own demons, offering a path to salvation that is as punishing as it is perilous.